everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out our website and specifically this video. Today we're going to go over 2019 Forest River Rockwood A122S. That S stands for storage. We'll start off real quick with pointing that out. Right here, all this up front. If you can pan over to the one next to us, this is the A122. It doesn't get any of that storage in the front, so I really like this. Gives you a ton of room to put stuff. I'll go over that after we finish up on the inside, so follow me. I wanted to start off and show you the bed in the up position. This is all storage under here. So you've got half of it divided up for storage, and then the back half here has got a pull-out tray. This here is got electrical in it, so because you've got a heat pump cool cat down here. So that will actually heat and cool this trailer as long as you're able to plug into power. So we're going to lower that down. Okay. On the front of the trailer, we have a nice booth dinette. It too lowers down into a sleeping area, so you could probably get another 2 people there, at least one. This here in the box is a barbecue that comes with the trailer. It will mount on the outside. We've got our fridge here in the kitchen. Good size. We've got a 3-burner stove up top here. And a hot and cold sink here. Lots of windows all the way around in this trailer. We can open up a slider on both sides so we can get good circulation. We've also got a fantastic vent fan here that will really get the air moving. Let's see. I also want to point out there is a microwave, some storage below the microwave. Your thermostat is here, and this will control your stereo here. So we've got storage right here, and the first thing we see kind of popping out is a little table, and this is going to mount on the same place that that barbecue mounts. It just slides on this rail right here and mounts here, and the barbecue will do the same thing. The barbecue also has the benefit of being able to run off the onboard propane, so you don't need to bring additional propane with you. You can tap into the onboard propane. Large grab handle, 110 outlets outside, a night light and a speaker so you can listen to music outside. This is access to that underbed storage from the outside. Full-size spare tire, LEDs throughout the exterior. And when we get to this side, I was telling you there's a pull-out tray. Well, here that tray is. Really convenient for heavy stuff. You don't have to dig all the way to the back and worry about maybe hurting your back. So that just locks right in place when you're traveling. I'll latch that when we're done. This is the back of that heat pump. These are for any condensation to drain out. For you dry campers that are gonna take your water with you, this is where you'll fill it up, okay? Down below that, if you're staying in a park, you can use cable. We've got an access point there. This is your gray water dump. So it's very simple. You open up the valve, the water is going to come out. So your best bet is probably to position a bucket or a basin here before you start to use this and just let the water drain out into there. You can take that and dump it in an appropriate location. If you're staying in a park, this is where your city water will come in. This is a hot and cold outside shower, so great for cleaning off your feet, washing the dog or the kids off. This is the back of that refrigerator in there. Most people aren't going to really need to get in here for much. This is the exhaust for the LP furnace, so this does get really hot. It can burn people, so let everybody know that's camping with you not to touch that. 30 amp power cord is going to connect here. It's inside the trailer right now. It's in a little black bag. It does come with it, but they've gone to a removable. This here is the this is the water heater here, so that's where that is located. And then we've got this pass-through storage up here up front. And I want to show you the top, and you've actually got arm on both sides to support that, so you don't have to try and balance it with one hand while you're loading. And you've also got access from both sides. It also locks on both sides and the top, so you can secure your items that are in here. I love this feature. I like to fish. It's great for that, but I could see people that like to ski using it. You could put all kinds of stuff in here. Just great to have. This one does come with an electric tongue jack. Guaranty is going to fill the propane tanks. So whoever buys this is going to get full propane. They're also going to get a brand new battery to come with it and a customer care kit. You'll have all your hoses and hookups that you need to go camping. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to give me a call. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a fantastic day.